Hello, this is Jerry Fischel from Vicious Cycles in Santa Clara, Utah for Expert Village. What we're going to talk about now is changing your oil. When you go to change your oil, you pull your dipstick and first inspect your oil. This oil actually is rather clean. We're going to change it anyways for demonstration purposes, but it's pretty clean. You're always going to have a little bit of the residual oil from back in the past oil changes that runs through your motor. It's never going to come out perfectly clean. There's always going to be a little bit of black in it. How much black in it is what matters. You know, if it's a really dark or really smelly and a burnt smell, you want to change your oil. I suggest changing your oil every 2,500 miles. Some guys go a little over that, but since it is an air-cooled engine, oil does lose this viscosity quicker in an air-cooled engine because they get hotter than a water-cooled engine. So it's not the same as your car. You don't want to go 3,000, 5,000 miles. It's best to just go 2,500. Remove the dipstick first thing, because when you go to undo the plug, the oil will flow a lot quicker. We want to talk a little bit about a couple different oils. There's regular 2050. We got Harley Davidson genuine 2050 oil. Does a great job, does everything it needs to do, has a lot of sulfur in it, dampens noise, cools down the bike. It's the blood of your motorcycle. This is great, but I prefer the synthetic oils. I prefer, like this one's a Syn 3 partial synthetic oil. What this oil is it's thinner. It cools down quicker. It cools your motor quicker. The bike will run between 10 and 15 degrees cooler with this oil or with a synthetic oil than it does over a fossil oil. One of the drawbacks with the synthetic oil is that it is thinner. You'll hear more engine noise because it doesn't dampen as well. But as it's being thinner, it cools faster, so it cools the bike faster. We'll go around to the other side of the bike and I'll show you approximately where our oil plug is and how to loosen that and how to change our filter.